Hi, I'm Aparna, welcoming you all in the beautiful world of cakes at Cake Street. Today we are going to make vegan carrot cake. No dairy products, no eggs, purely vegan, delicious, tasty and healthy too, with lots and lots of carrots and dry fruits. Things for making this vegan carrot cake are all-purpose flour. I have added 3 tablespoons of cornflour into it. The measurements I have given in the description below. Then 2.5 cup of carrots, flax seeds powder. These are the combination of dry fruits. You can make your own combination. Over here I took 2 tablespoons of each. Designated coconut, dates, pistas, almonds, walnuts, raisins. You can change this combination as per your choice. Then cinnamon, baking soda, salt, oil, brown sugar, white sugar, almond milk. You can use soya milk or coconut milk, whatever you like. If you don't want to make it vegan, you can use it normal milk also. Okay. Then baking powder, nutmeg powder, warm water, spatula, mixing bowl, vinegar, 8-inch tin which I already lined up, hand mixer. As this is vegan, so first what we are going to do is, this is about 3 tablespoons of flax seeds powder. In that I am going to add 9 tablespoons of water. See, the proportion is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder with 3 tablespoons of water. But as I took 3 tablespoons, I am going to add 9 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now we are going to add vinegar into our almond milk, and again let it set for 5 minutes. Now we are going to sift our flour for 3 times. First we are going to add all the dry ingredients except sugar into it, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Sift it for 3 times. Mix oil, with sugar. Now add flax seeds to this mixture. Now we are going to add milk. Time to add flour. We are not going to add full flour at a time. We'll mix it in 3 batches. And what we are going to do is, we'll mix 2 batches, and after, when the last batch will remain, we'll coat these dry fruits with that flour, and then we are going to add into it our batter. Okay. And now I'm going to add my all these dry fruits into my flour. And just coat them properly. The reason behind why I'm coating it with flour is so that your dry fruits are not going to sink in the bottom. Okay? Now time to add carrots. You might have noticed this batter is not having the same consistency as the other batters because carrots are going to release moisture and lot of water. So if you make it little ribbon type consistency, then maybe you will end into a soggy cake. So we'll keep this batter little thick, but it doesn't matter, you will get the right texture. Okay, so just mix a little after adding your carrots. We are going to shift our batter into an 8-inch tin. I already preheated my oven at 150 degrees Celsius, and now this is going to get baked for next 40 to 45 minutes. Dab it for 4-5 times. So our cake is out from the oven. Nice texture, pretty soft. Let's unassemble it. Gently remove this parchment paper. You can see the nice texture, how well it is. It's still so hot. Let it cool for another half an hour. See the texture, how soft it is. You can see a good rise, soft texture, nice aroma, amazing. I always say while baking vegan and vegetarian cakes, especially eggless cakes, be careful. Like for this cake, it took around 50 minutes in the oven, and after that I let it remain inside the switched off oven for next 10 minutes, and your cake is almost ready. See, after taking out of the oven also, you have to again leave it in the cake tin for next 5 to 10 minutes, and after that only transfer it on the cooling rack. Don't immediately transfer it over the cooling rack, otherwise you may face some disasters. Okay, so this cake is almost ready now, just need to get frosted. Let it cool for next 30 to 40 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. Happy baking. Try this recipe. Enjoy with your loved ones. This is a bit healthy as it contains a lot of veggies and lots and lots of carrots in it, and so many dry fruits, which is actually good for the health. So enjoy this lovely tasty treat.